How is Irish dance performed? Have you ever watched a performance of Irish dance and wondered how those dancers move so gracefully and rhythmically? Irish dance is a captivating art form that showcases the rich culture of Ireland. It is performed in various styles, often in groups, and is characterized by its lively music and precise footwork. Irish dance typically takes place in formations like lines, circles, or squares. Dancers maintain a straight posture, keeping their backs upright and arms straight with hands hidden behind their backs. This stance is essential for balance and executing the intricate footwork that defines Irish dance. Footwork is one of the most exciting aspects of Irish dance. Dancers perform steps like the jig, reel, and hornpipe. Each of these styles has its own unique rhythm and tempo, requiring dancers to be coordinated and precise. The fast-paced movements are truly a sight to behold. Another important technique in Irish dance is turnout. Dancers learn to keep their knees and feet turned outward. This positioning not only creates the signature Irish dance stance but also helps with smooth transitions between different steps. Pointing the toes is also a key element. Whenever a dancer lifts a foot off the ground, they point their toes. This technique enhances the visual appeal of the dance and helps maintain proper alignment and balance. Knee positioning plays a role too. Dancers often keep their knees slightly bent and aligned with their bodies. This ensures stability and control, especially during jumps and other dynamic movements. If you are traveling in Ireland and want to experience Irish dance firsthand, many dance schools offer classes for beginners. These classes teach the basic steps and techniques, making it a fun way to immerse yourself in Irish culture. You can also attend performances at various festivals and events throughout Ireland. These showcases highlight the energy and beauty of Irish dance, allowing you to appreciate this traditional art form. Whether you are watching a performance or trying your hand at the steps, Irish dance is sure to leave a lasting impression. Its vibrant rhythms and precise movements make it a memorable part of any visit to Ireland.